Today we're making slime, and the things you'll need is the slime factory kit, so slime DIY, and a cup and a black Sharpie. Well, let's start. Okay, so I think we're gonna get a mixer, some glitter, some like confetti stuff, and 4 surprise little characters. Yeah, I can just get this out. Nah. Okay, where's oh, okay. The other stuff is in the sides. Is there anything else? And don't forget, your cup has to have water in it. Now we're gonna see our surprise characters, and we have like neon colors and all kinds of stuff. And we also have some glitter pouches and some confetti pouches too. These are the slime powders and the glitter and the little surprise toys. I think I got all the ones I wanted except for one. And there's some confetti pouches too. It's some stars and some hearts. You don't have to use everything, but you at least have to use the slime mixer and the slime pouches. And those are the most important things. And here are the containers that the glitter go in. And a little funnel so you don't have much of a mess. You might have just like a blob. And the mixer that goes on the mixer. Oh, and when you're done, if your slime doesn't feel so right, you can mix up with this a little bit too. You don't have to use the instructions, but you can. But I at least need to open this because it has the stickers on it. So we'll open that at the end of the video. And just get this out. Yeah. The next thing you're gonna do is put each thing in the containers that looks like it goes in. You're gonna take the lids off the glitter things and go ahead and put those in. And then you get this stuff out. You get the glitter out. If I can open this. Okay, got that. It's okay if you just dump everything out. Okay, so get the glitter pouches out. And then oh, I forgot another thing that you really need. Scissors. I'll be right back. You can use big scissors if you're allowed, if you're a kid. But if you're not allowed, you might need a parent doing this. Or you can use kid scissors. Don't worry, my dad right over there. Okay, so next after you open one pouch at a time. And this is supposed to only hold the glitter. So just take one thing. You kind of need to use the funnel so you don't make a huge mess. Hold it over whatever you're on so you don't make a mess. And you might have to stick your finger in the funnel to get it down there. And then put one of the lids on it. Okay, so first I'll put that one and look for the next glitter patch. Oh wait, there's 2 of each. I can't believe I put the lid on when there was 2 and I didn't even know. You might need to either rinse this out or just blow really hard. So next I'm gonna do golden sprinkles. Okay guys, you don't have to do this in the exact same order I'm doing it, but you might want to use both of them. Okay. Then you get this little thing out of this bag, and then you get the confetti bag. It doesn't matter. It can be the hearts or the stars because, you know. Okay, then you pour it into the tray where there's like 4 little sections. You pour it into one section of the tray, 4 sections. Okay, guys, you get little surprises. It's kind of cute. So, one I got was the unicorn. I wanted the unicorn. See? And then I got this kitty cat that I wanted. They're different colors, each one. And this little kitty cat's pink. I also wanted the seahorse. And I didn't want the doggy, but now that I see it, it's kind of cute, right? After you do all that, you unbag these things. And if you want, just dump it. After that, you place the cups on a circle, and then you stack up the lids, which is very hard. Then you pick a color. It doesn't have to be my color. I'm making this for my cousin, so I'm going to use her favorite color, pink. After you open it, I think you're supposed to just pour the whole thing in the mixer. You're going to add a small amount of confetti and glitter. Make sure you don't add too much, and add water until you get to this little line. Do you guys see it? It's a little line of it. Okay, so I'm going to put a little bit of hearts in there. Just a little, and then a little bit of stars. And then a little bit of the glittery confetti too. Ooh, that's way too much. Okay, purple. Don't spill like your friends. Okay, whoa. Okay, then you're gonna add the water to the little fill line. Okay, I'm about there. Okay, that's just like a little bit over, but it'll do. Okay, so then you're gonna attach this here. Make sure it doesn't fall out when you put this on, because they attach to each other and it's kind of hard to put them on. I cannot do it, so my dad's gonna do it.
All right, see, now it turns like that.
Yeah. And then you're gonna put this cap on to it with that stuff in. Okay. Okay, then the slime comes together and it like mixes all the confetti and glitter. Guys, oh, come on! Guys, if you want, you can use that 5 minutes to watch some TV. Okay, after 2 minutes, you're gonna just lift the lid up, and then if there's any on the mixed thing, just like do this if you want, and then lay it down on something that's not furniture, and then get this bluey tealy stick, and then just go like this. It's barely slimish. Guys, if you want, you can make your dad stir it for a little bit longer. While I wait for my dad, I'm gonna try to play. I'm gonna mix it a little bit more. Guys, look at this part. It's like a little slime ball. Look, it's perfect. Now I just gotta make the rest look like that. Don't put your toy in when you're mixing. Put it in like at the end when it's all good and ready. And then it'll be better and it won't be so like gooey, wooey. Oh, I want to touch it. Oh. Look Look inside. Look inside. Look inside. Okay, guys, while the slime is turning into slime, I'm gonna set it to the side and go ahead and get a cup and get that ready. Okay, so then after that, then you're gonna get these stickers out, and then you're gonna take one off. You can put this wherever you want on the cup, and then just put the sticker wherever. So this is what mine looks like for my cousin. This is what it looks like, and then I'm gonna put A, N, A. Oh yeah, and if you want, you can put one of these stickers on. Guys, if you want to, you can take it out and take the mix stick out. And if you want, you can like mix it up with your hands a little bit. If it doesn't feel right, you can test it with your hands. And if it doesn't feel right, maybe you can like mix it with your hands. Mine doesn't feel so right for my cousin, so I'm just gonna mix it with my hands a little more and show you guys how it's supposed to be. So you can just like move it and squish it and like stretch it. Jump rope. Okay, my jump rope's kind of gone out of control. Okay, so you can like mix that for a minute or two, and then after you've done that, you put it into the jar. Guys, look, I got a mask. You'll never see my eyes now. It popped. Oh, guys, I want to test something. I'll be right back. Dun, dun, dun.
What is that?
I'm going to try to blow a bubble.
Okay.
Because that works for some slimes. Not all, but some. Look, guys, you can do it at home. Wait. Wrap it around. There we go. Again.
I totally saw a bubble.
Yeah, me too. Okay, guys, after you've like mixed it and done all that, next you get your cup and then you drop the slime in. I just want to test this. I'm going to see if it makes noises. It does. It does. It really does. It sounds like a toot. Listen. Then after you do all that, you're going to pick one of your surprise toys. I'm going to take like half of this out and put this dog in the middle. Okay, there. Okay. There. Yeah. Okay, now get out. It still toots. And then, ta-da! There it is, your slime. It's on me. Now you can give it to your friends. Daddy, come here. Now you can give it to your friends. Get the Slime Factory. Guys, that's all the time we have today, but make sure to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button down below and aim in a jar. Thanks for watching today's video. If you think I shouldn't send the dog, put comments down below if I should do the unicorn, the kitty cat, the seahorse, or the dog. Vote below and I'll count the votes. We'll see you next time. Bye! Bye!